Sit. 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 Shh. Willie, sit. Stay. 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 No. Hey, Willie. Shh. Shh. Stay. What kind of dog is this?
It's a Weimaraner.
Oh, rare.
Yeah, it's just more popular now, but... Is it a puppy?
Yeah.
Oh. A Labradoodle?
A Labradoodle, yes.
Oh. Beautiful. The hair is so nice. Usually they're very curly.
Yeah, I gotta brush it every day.
I know. You wanna play, Willie? She's cute, but she
I got lots of energy, eh?
acts like a baby.
He won't, he won't run into the street.
No.
Good.
How old is your puppy?
A year and a half?
Oh.
Yeah. Oh,
Very good at all.
he sure can run very fast.
Yeah. That's all she's good for. Hey, Lisa. Is yours expected to grow anymore?
Sorry?
Is she expected to
I think that's about it. 66 pounds right now. Willie? Okay, the bicycle coming here. Willie! Willie, come! Willie, come! Willie! Stay. Sit. Sit. Down. Down. Good boy.
Okay, thank you.
Nice meeting you. Thank you.